Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mercedes Benz C Class. So first of all, go to settings, we'll make sure Bluetooth is on like so. Oops, flipped it too much. And then we're watching out at the bottom. On the actual screen here, you've got, if you click that star there, it brings up the whole menu. You can go across to telephone like so, or if you click forward, it brings the menu up at the top, and then just turn the rotary control till you get to telephone. Click telephone. It's got ready for Bluetooth telephony, but that's not what we want. So you click forward again, and you see it's brought up this other menu at the bottom. Click back, right down to the bottom, and you've got options and connect device. Select connect device, click on it, and at the top there, again, it's not immediately obvious because search for phones is already highlighted. So we want to search for phones. It's on there, we click on it. Then you've got to click again, start search. So you've got to tell it twice. So now it's looking for a phone. It's saying cancel search if you want. We watch out at the bottom here, and on the actual, there you go, Barry's iPhone, it's come. So down to Barry's iPhone, click on Barry's iPhone, or whatever your phone's called, of course. And here we go, Bluetooth pairing request 812971, 812971. So we click yes there and pair there. Gosh, there's some bad drivers about. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. And where's it gone? Mercedes Benz Bluetooth connected. That's it, connected.